Take a ride in the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.